Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can withdraw your money from Zayleague. So first step here, you'll need to open up your Zayleague app as you can see on your screen, and then tap on your profile icon at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Once you tap on your profile icon, then an options shows up right from here. So here, what you're going to do is tap on the gear icon, which is the settings at the top right. So once you tap on the settings, here you will find the your total balance, and basically you can claim this account by tapping on the button and add your email and password. Once you claimed your account or claim that money, you can now go back here and then tap on the transactions button. Once you tap on the transactions, here you will find all your total balance right here. As you can see, I have $5, but make sure that you have the $20 or more so you can access the cash out button. So as you can see, I don't have the cash out options here. So if you're going to tap on the drop down menu and select and apply this cash outs, so nothing to see right here. But if you have the $20, then you'll be able to cash out. So just tap on the cash out button and then you just have to select any methods on how you can cash out your money using your bank account or maybe other payment methods. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.